Hey guys, Dave from Crystal Clear Water. So this is a sulfur filter I have behind me, and I want to talk to you about some of your options to maintain this and keep it lasting longer. So first things first, these only suck in air. That's all they do. They suck in air to clean themselves. Air can only do so much. It's an oxidizer, but they recommend putting chemicals in here every single year to prevent this sulfur bacteria buildup. Okay, that's what's coming from the well. We can sanitize the well. That's not going to be the long-term solution for that. Once a year, putting chemicals in here, and that will help keep it maintained, keep it clean. However, that's only doing it once a year. That's not doing it every single day. So as this thing cleans itself out with air only, once a year, put the chemicals in. That's called chemical cleaning. They're about $85. So still, once a year doesn't quite seem to be enough. So we have what's called one of our chemical solution tanks. So you as a customer can go do your maintenance, put the salt in this system, put some citric acid in there, and that'll keep the inside here clean because we put the chemical solution tank on the ground. You put the chemicals in there, it's going to keep it clean. So you don't need us to do that. You can do your salt and put that in there once a month. Secondly, that's chemicals. A lot of people don't like putting chemicals in there, but it does help. You use chlorine or hydrogen peroxide, which is called Nutrisol. So that'll keep it clean. Also, another option would be an ozone. It's a special little box that goes on here, and it doesn't suck in air, it sucks in ozone. The ozone is what kills bacteria. So that helps keep this clean. It's an added upgrade that goes to this. So once you put the ozone on, it's keeping the inside air chamber nice and clean. Okay, so we can add one of those on there, and it'll last a lot longer. So the other thing you very well want to do, being on well water, is get some UV lights. UV lights that kill bacteria. So if you ever do get bacteria in your water, you have an ultraviolet light protection for you. So keep your stuff maintained. Get some preventative measures, UV lights, citric acid. You do the ozone, sanitize your well, sanitize your house. Dumping salt in there is not the only thing that you need to do. Dumping salt in there is like just changing your oil filter and not the oil, and not doing the tranny, not doing the air filter. So there's a lot more to it. Remember, we do air conditioning, air filtration, and water purification. Give us a call, 239-599-8873. Have a good day.